Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna play a game of Roblox. Right here, I'll hop onto a game and I'll see you there. Right, we're back guys, and today I'm gonna show you guys what this game's all about. So right here we have our levels. Sorry, it's a little glitchy. You can vault over things by using space. We can run around. We have a thing called a grapple hook, and I can hold it, and I can go across things. And sorry about the background, my brother's doing another video. I have this thing called, I forgot what it was called, but you get like, you don't have to roll. Because in this game, you know you can roll. It's like a parkour game. I was like, I kind of like this game, but then again, it kind of annoys me. See there, I failed. And come on, I was trying to do a thing called a springboard. A springboard is like you can, yeah, like that. I'm gonna get 0 stars. No, I got 1. I got 60 XP. Now you can see down here, you got your levels. I'm rank novice. And here, let me try that again, but I'm going to speedrun it. And then, yeah, okay, I'm gonna skip where I get like 2 stars. Or I'm just gonna show you guys the full gameplay of it. I'm gonna be quite quiet, so yeah, just be quiet. Right, as you see, I got 150 XP, and I got 2 stars with 42.70 seconds. Now I'm gonna hop into a game of free roam, and I'll see you there. Right, we're back here, and oh god, I can't see my recorder thing, so I don't know if this is recording, but as you can see here, I'm going across here, getting these orbs, and every time you collect them, you get 20 XP. So I'll just keep getting these, and I'll tell you guys when I'm ready, okay? Alright guys, as you can see, we're back. So right now I'm getting orbs until I get to level 8. Once I'm level 10, you get like another like upgrade on your thing, and I want to get rank 10. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, or you can just sit here and watch it. And I think there's going to be 2 parts to this, because this might take me forever to get level 8, so you may as well watch me now, or you can leave and just go part 2 or something like that. But I'm going to have to record this and then edit it, so it's gonna be hard for me, because I'm new to this YouTube type of thing. So hang on, let me try to get level 8. Right. They're just like messing around in this game normally. So let's see what these guys schools are. Anyone first? Okay. I'm trying to do a little glitch. Alright, I'm gonna try beat these guys and score. I'm just gonna go quickly. Say I did it, bro. Oh, and I have something cool. I met the host. I met the person who made this game. Right. Hello, what's this? Okay, bye. Wait, I'm gonna do a quick little run and jump. Nope. Yeah, I'll be so embarrassed if I fail that. I'll literally be the most embarrassed person ever. There's this thing called power jump. I really want it. But you know me, I can't get anything. I just love this game. And if you guys can hear me spamming my keyboard, yeah, that's me trying. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, so yeah, and if you can see my face, cause when I was at the screen recorder I put on face and webcam and my what's it called, but I don't think it's on. Let me just get up here really quickly. Wow, I was actually not expecting that works, but secret part here, he knows about it. So. Got it. I'm gonna try to jump down here. Of course, it got hurt. Too long, apparently. Too long. Just gonna run. And again, I'm new to this week. I'm like YouTube stuff, so don't go in the comments and say, "Oh, you're bad. No point watching you. You're horrible. Go down hell" or something like that. Please don't say that, cause I'm new to this. I had a YouTube channel, 4 subscribers, which was bad. I don't like 4 subscribers. I want like, I'm not trying to be greedy, but around 1 million. Damn perfect. I'll just delete my YouTube channel. Won't make more content. If you guys like this video, make sure you slap that like button, and I'll, well, I'm not ending it yet, but I'll end 10 minutes. So at 10 minutes, here, let me do. We're gonna do levels so we can level up quickly. So I don't want to make this one part. Springboard. There's 2 ways, but I want to go this way and grapple. Or else fast. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm kind of fast at this. But I don't want to get too braggy. So, oh no! I glitched. What? What? There's another. And my brother, he's a YouTuber too. Oh god, it's 10 minutes. I'll end it at 12 minutes, and yeah, that's my first video, so I'm not gonna edit too much. I'm just gonna edit the quality and all. It's bad. Okay, I did horrible at that. I'm gonna quickly do this like a boss. So if you guys can see my face, I'll be happy, but I don't think you could. So therefore you can't see my face. RIP. I'm sorry if I've gone quiet, I'm just focusing. Goldman. I'm not trying to say it's a bad name. The next game I'm going to play is a game called Jailbreak. I want to get the pro version of this recorder, but yay! Okay. Right, guys, sadly I'm going to have to end it here. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!